XRP. Going to be making calls for about 12, 15 different symbols. Give me just a second here. Okay. Evening, everybody. Hope you all are having a great holiday weekend. Happy Memorial Day. Memorial Day. Can't say it. To everyone. Thank you for everyone that served and is serving. Truly appreciate that. All this is a bunch of bullshit. What you guys do is the real deal. All right. Now let's see if we got this covered. All right, everybody. What's up? D Nice, Richard Graham. Good evening, Kim Harrington. You guys hear me okay? I hope. We're going over Bitcoin. We're going over all of them. We'll be ripping through them all. Here's Bitcoin now, for that matter. We'll be calling it out in just a minute. Obviously, we're in a buy stop. And obviously, on one of my other little uh, things here, we got to pull that up, I guess. I'll show you a Bitcoin trade we're currently in. I don't ever trade Bitcoin, but I figure that'll get people's attention more. So I'm going to start trading Bitcoin on one of my bigger accounts, medium accounts, I guess, 20,000 or so. But anywho, and we're still in a buy stop on NAS. I'll go over that too with you guys. Why does my chart look like that? Because that's called the safety trade, and that's how you trade. If your chart doesn't look like that, you should be asking yourself a question of why your chart doesn't look like that. I'll be writing down these trades for us here in just a minute. Let's see, what do we got going on over here? D Nice, good evening. Richard, good evening. Moto, Tanny, Kimberly Harrington, good evening. Tarson Black, boy, a lot of people. Here, this is our YouTube channel. In case people on TikTok don't know what I'm talking to, who I'm talking to. If you think I'm talking to myself, let's take a look. See. All right, let's go here. This is the TikTok channel. This is the YouTube channel, I should say, and we have over, I don't know, a couple thousand or something like that. And these are the people I'm saying good evening to. After I say good evening, everybody, we're going to go into a live trade, show you some live trades, and I'll show you some call outs on Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, ERUSD, GBP, US oil, and gold. And then, of course, the three indexes follow. Good evening, Kim, Candle Envy. Good evening, Andrews. Good evening, Ryan. Good evening, Sandro. Good evening, Paige the Marketer. Good evening, Dell. Good evening, Tarson. Good evening, Harold. Yes, thank you for everyone that serves and their families. Thank you so much, truly. Apollonia, good evening. Top two, good evening. ML, good evening. Rob Ruthius, good evening. Juliet Wilson, good evening. Dale, good evening. Loud and clear. Good. Bradley McGurgle. Okay, I didn't say his last name right at all. Good evening. Caleb, good evening. Michael Desta, good evening. Gus, good evening. What's up, Gus? Soul Licks. Can't wait for tomorrow's meeting. Yes, sir. Or ma'am. NS, good evening. All right, so that's out of the way. Good evening, everybody, and God bless you all, and thank you all for being here. Let's have some fun. Let's try to make some money together while we're going through all this. Everybody on TikTok, good evening. User 70465, good evening, Wayne. Good evening, May. Good evening, Married for Life. Good evening, Desta. All right, guys, here we go. We're going to whip through a whole bunch. Well, let me show you the one trade because I don't never. Well, I'm going to start trading it, but I haven't traded Bitcoin in probably going on a year now. It's been a minute. Let me see something real quick. I'm going to remote access into a computer that's right next to me. 304 909. There we go. And let's accept that over here. Okay. And let's see this over here. This is our remote desktop through AnyDesk. There we go. And this is our trade right here on Bitcoin, which again, I don't usually do. This is a $20,000 account or whatever, 22,000. We're up $1,000. This is a buy I did earlier tonight, this evening, actually. We did a buy on the 15-minute buy stop. It was clear as could be. And we went in and had some fun, and there it is. So normally I will never trade if the spread's too far on it, but I figured everybody loves Bitcoin, so I'm willing to throw some out there when it's easy calls. I did a 0.10 lot size. You can see the time in. You can see the amount, the size of it, and the account. And there you go. And that's your little one currently. And it was a 15-minute buy stop to the blue line. You guys are unfamiliar with what blue line trading is. Oh, I can't control it. I'm trying to control the. That's funny. Let me see if I can move it over here and shrink this down for you guys. Yes, I think that's better. Now hold on, where did this go now? Da, 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 da. Right here is the buy stop. And there it is right here, buy stop to the blue line. I even got in late. You can see my entry, speaking of which, we got to lock that in. All right, and then we're automatically in profit no matter what. And yeah, so there's that. I have the whole trade captured, so we're good on that. You'll be seeing that on one of my shorts. So there it is, boop in, boop up, 15-minute buy stop. Technically could have got in here at, I don't know, whatever the hell this is, 26,700. It's 28, almost up $1,000, I guess, $800 in that trade, which comes out to $1,000, right? That's why it's 0.1. So we're up 1,082, 1,079 on that trade. So that is your Bitcoin. And that's what you got. Good evening, Mike. Bitcoin is going crazy. Nice, Ryan. And good evening, Annie. Good evening, Dale. Good evening, NS. Good evening, Rob. Good evening, Glow. Good evening, Rob again. Yeah, God bless all the veterans who served, including Glow and everybody. And God bless y'all. Thank you for everything you guys did. It's going crazy because it's been called out by the safety trade. And I'm in the Bitcoin trade. So highly unusual. I'll start trading Bitcoin a lot more often now for you guys, just to get people's attention because they love Bitcoin so much. But obviously, Bitcoin spread on MT4 is ridiculously long, high, ridiculous. But I'll do it just to make you guys have some money and have some fun with that. All right, so that is the Bitcoin trade. I also have, let me shrink this down. JR Rock Stocks, Kevin, you're awesome. Thanks. So are you, Rock? What's up, Jimmy Hustle? Oh, Jimmy, I think we're going to do I got to call you. I'll call you tomorrow, I guess, holiday, whatever, Monday, Tuesday. Um, but Jimmy's going to be our first teacher of the week. And I think we figured out a way. We're just going to share a Zoom meeting link live on my screen, and then you can just. I hope you can do volume through there. Fuck. Oh, I don't know. We'll figure that out as we go. We're winging all this. But Biker says tonight, will I be in the training tomorrow? Can he get in the training tomorrow, Precious? Or is it too late? If someone buys it tonight, can they get in the training tomorrow? Oh yeah, get everything done and send your account number, right? It's 12 hours out. And we can even add them manually if we had, right? So yeah, if you buy it tonight and you can get your correct account number, picture and typed out to us, yeah, you could get in. Yeah, it has to be within the next few hours here. What is this? The next couple hours, if you can do it by like 10:30 Eastern Standard Time, then yes, that's correct. Okay. Hit the like button, everyone. Show you appreciating Kev Bri. Thank you, Candle Envy. Thank you, Kim. Thank you, JR Rocks. All right, so there you go. That's that. Now we have a Bitcoin call. Oh, I do have one other live. Hold on. Let me see what that is. Nope, not that one. This one. Let's put it up here. This is a trade I've had going and still going. So that's Bitcoin. We have NAS, and NAS is currently tanking a little bit. It's just going to go down to the 5-minute, come back up again. So I'm up on this trade right here on NAS. Is this not the one in this account? Yeah, here we go. Holy shit. I'm going to pull this up here. Well, I don't get. All right, this trade right here is from a buy stop on 526 at 1549. So it's a buy stop from 526, which is last Friday, right? Or Thursday, sorry. And this trade right here, it's $3,915 in the account with a $3,550 trade. I'm going to go ahead and pull some money out probably tonight on this account and drop it down back to the $1,000, $500 level and leave this trade rolling. So this is a $5,000 trade. This is from NAS, and this is from last week, last Thursday. And we're in it because there's a way of looking at trading, which I'll show you in a second, where you can kind of tell that if it hasn't formed, it hasn't formed. I'll show you what I mean, and you can see how I stay in these trades a little longer. Okay. Now, with all that in mind, let's whip through Bitcoin first, and then we're going to whip through a whole bunch of these. So here we go. 1 minute Bitcoin. Obviously, a buy stop was and is forming buy stop Bitcoin. 1 minute. It's going to come back up again. Then you come over to the 5-minute. Well, okay, here you go. It's got to drop down towards this 5-minute line back up again. Bitcoin 15-minute. Oh, so far off. Look at this. Look at this trade right here. You have a 15-minute, 30-minute buy stop. That's the trade we're in, right? So our trade is in here, going to the blue line on a 30-minute buy stop. Let me see something real quick, by the way. While we're looking, let's take a look over here. Let's go over crypto. Let's see if there was a 30-minute. Yep, there it was. So our scanner, the most incredible thing in the history of the world next to the system itself, but the scanner is programmed to trade just like me. Bitcoin, 30-minute buy stop. You see it right here with the green up arrow? At this time period of 1700. It called the trade just like I saw the trade. What do I mean? Well, when I called this trade myself and I saw it, look what it did. It called it right here. What time is this right there? You can see where it first arched down, and it was at this time period, which of course this might not correspond to us, but there it is. Called out by the scanner, and this is the time period it called it. Let's take a look. See, it was at 1700, which is right here. You can see a perfect call out. You would have put your trade in right here, like I did. Well, I was a little late. I pulled it up too late. 26,700 to 28,300. You'd be up over 1,400 pips. I'm up 1,000 pips, $1,000 per coin, I should say. So, at any rate, that's how you read it. That's how you use it, and that's how absolutely, unbelievably effective that the scanner is. And the only way you get the scanner is through buying the system and getting it through our website. There is no scam artist out there that can get the scanner, and the scanner makes the system unbelievably, unstoppably effective. So Bitcoin already was 1 hour, fill in the gap, 4 hour, sell stop, daily buy stop, weekly sell stop, monthly buy stop, Bitcoin. Next. La di da 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 dee da da do. Ethereum. Ethereum and Bitcoin are joined at the hip. They always do the same things. One might form before the other, and we'll get into that a little bit later. But 1 minute buy stop Ethereum, 5-minute fill in the gap, 15-minute Ethereum. Look at the 15. Look at the buy stop. Green, 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 red, green, green, buy stop. Boom. 1 hour, fill in the gap, buy stop. Boom. Daily. It's going to be it's a 4 hour sell still broken. Daily buy, weekly sell, monthly buy Ethereum. XRP. Who loves XRP? 48 cents. Yay. 1 minute buy stop XRP. 15-minute fill in the gap. Already done. You're late for these buys, but it is what it is. Look at the perfection of that 15-minute buy stop. Look at the absolute perfection of green, 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 green buy stop. Perfection. XRP. I mean, what else are you going to do? Daily. daily to the blue line XRP, which has been called out. To be clear, this daily to the blue line has been called back out since April the 24th. Buy stop to the blue line XRP. Go back and watch every video since the 24th. You'll see that I've called this out for over a month. Weekly sell stop, monthly buy stop XRP. ERUSD, ERUSD. 1 minute sell stop. 5 minutes should have been in. 15-minute sell stop. 30-minute should have been in. 1 hour sell stop. That was last Friday. Easy money. Daily sell stop, fill in the gap. I'm sorry, 4-hour sell stop, filling the gap down to the 4-hour blue line, which I didn't mention, but it's going down to the thing too. But anyway, to the 4-hour blue line on ERUSD. Daily buy stop, ERUSD. Weekly to the monthly blue line, sell stop, ERUSD. UDSHF is just complete opposite of that. GBP USD, GBP USD. 1 minute, sell. 5 minute, 15 minutes, sell. 30 minutes, sell. 1 hour sell stop, GBP USD, 1 hour sell stop. 4-hour daily buy stop, GBP USD. Weekly sell stop, GBP USD to the monthly ERUSD blue line. I'm playing two of those at the same time. This is the great reset. That's what's going to cause everything to go panicky and whatever they're going to do. A bunch of BS, but whatever. GBP JPY, 1 minute. It's going to be a sell stop to the blue line down here. It is. It's going to work its way down. 1 minute sell stop, GBP JPY. 5 minute buy stop. 15-minute fill in the gap already was. 30-minute nothing. Look at how perfection. 30-minute buy stop, 1 hour fill in the gap. I mean, perfect. You could miss that. 4-hour nothing. Daily nothing. Look, the weekly buy. I hope I hope you guys can see how easy that weekly was. And it's going up to what I've been telling you, to the monthly blue line. I've been saying this for weeks. It's going up to the monthly blue line. You see where it's heading to? It'll get there eventually. US oil, 1 minute, buy stop. US oil, filling the gap, 5 minute, 15-minute, 30-minute, 30-minute, nothing, 1 hour. To the 1 hour blue line, buy stop to the 1 hour blue line of oil. 4-hour daily sell stop to the blue line. It's going to go up and come back down again. Weekly sell stop to the blue line. Weekly, monthly buy stop. Gold. Man, we've been kicking it on gold lately. Easy. Oh, look at the 1 minute sell stop, filling the gap already happened. 5 minute too late. 15-minute too late. 15-minute sell stop was obvious, filling the gap on the 30. 1 hour, 1 hour, nothing. Nothing. You're too late. Too late. Daily buy stop gold. Daily buy stop gold. What you're going to see gold go down and do is touch the daily line and then come back up. You could say then come back up on the daily. So it's going to drop a little further and come back up again. That's gold. Let's go over SPX 500, also known as SPY in your guys' world. 1 minute sell stop to the blue line. 1 minute sell stop. 5 minute buy stop. It's going to turn probably into a 15-minute buy stop. 30-minute, too late. You should have already been in these trades. 1 hours. Look at the 1 hour. Green, 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 red, green, green, buy, stop, put it in, bingo, boppo, bango, you're richer than rich. Daily bouncing off, nothing I can call. Weekly buy, stop, monthly buy, stop. Look at it bounce up. It's probably going to go up higher than 4,798 to be specific to you, but whatever. That's SPX. Let me make sure on one thing on SPX. It's going to form. Damn, we don't even have a sell anywhere. That's crazy business. I can't call a sell stop on SPX. That is fucking wild. Well, I am. 1 minute sell stop. I mean, I can't call a long term. NAS 100, 1 minute sell stop to the blue line. 5-minute buy is going to come down and touch it to the 5 minutes. Probably going to come down and touch the 15-minute and then come back up, actually. So it is I'm going to change this right here. It is a 1 minute sell stop, going to form a 15-minute, 30-minute buy stop, but you're already too late. You should have been in this trade like I was. Technically, my original trade, which is right here, would have been up 830 pips. I kept this trade open. We're up from the other day 500 pips, 480 pips. So, at any rate, that's that. NAS is the same as SPX, US 30. Let's see what she's got. 1 minute sell stop to the blue line. 5 minutes, soon to be 15-minute buy stop to the blue line. 30-minute, 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour, 4 hour, 1 hour, 4 hour sell stop. Daily, weekly, daily, buy, daily buy. All right, so let's go ahead and throw these out there. But what was that last one I saw? 1 hour sell. So it's a 1 hour, 4 hour. So let's write this out for you guys so there could be no misunderstanding. You have US 30, SPX, also known as SPY, and NAS. You have 1 minute sell stops to their blue lines or close. Or close. Now people whining at me. So it's going to touch the blue line. Get out of here. It'll form a 5 minute, but it's going to be closer to 15-minute, 30-minute buy stops. And then it's going to go up to, I'll tell you that in a second. But then you're going to have US 30 is a 1 hour / 4 hour sell stop. All right, now let's go ahead and go back to exactly where we're going to see this thing go up to 5 minute, 15-minute, 15-minute US 30, 5-minute US 30, negative 15. It's going to drop down, come back up there. It's going to come down. It's going to form us a 30-minute. The next one to form is a 30-minute US 30 sell stop. Then it will come back up towards this 30-minute blue line. Let's make sure we already have clearance on SPX, which we do. We do. So you're going to see US 30. You're going to see all these go up to when this buy stop engages. You'll probably later in the week. It's going to holiday tomorrow without the U.S. money is going to be slow as fuck in the markets. Right? To U.S. 30-minute blue line. I'm telling you where it's going to go before it happens. I told you it's going to form, how it's going to form, and that's what it's going to do. And there you go. Now, markets are deadly slow holidays without U.S. money. U.S. money is about 10 times. We drive the market up 5 to 10 times every time we open up our U.S. session at 9:30, so Eastern Standard. So, at any rate, that's how everything's going to play out for you guys. Hope you all make some money on those calls. Well, if you listen to me, you will. And then, yeah, just have fun with it. Enjoy it. Bitcoin's still going up. I'm up over $1,000 in that coin right now. All right. What's up, Larry Cooper? Does anybody on TikTok have any questions or concerns? I'm going to head over to YouTube then for a split second and head out. Hey, Kev, man, I'm $800 away from another 20,000. Awesome, Thomas. Congratulations, Thomas. All right, anybody on YouTube or TikTok have any questions? I should never shut that one. Damn, I should work for it. All right. TikTok out of here. See y'all later. Bye-bye. Have a good evening. Good holiday tomorrow. YouTube. Anyone at all? Rob says thanks. Much appreciated. Cool. So no questions over anything. I did want to touch base on one final thing before I roll out of here. That was Bitcoin. I think I heard some silliness of some talk about a sell stop, a sell in the Discord. And yes, there's a weekly sell, but you're not entered in that by any stretch of the imagination. There's a 4-hour sell. You're nowhere near possibly entering that in any imagination. The only trade it goes in order. The 1 minute, when it forms a 1 minute buy stop, then you'd look for 5 minute buy stop, which was right here. Then you look for the 15-minute buy stop, which was right there. Then you look for the 30-minute buy stop, which was to the blue line right there. And now we have to wait. It's a 1 hour fill in the gap to the blue line, 1 hour fill in the gap to the blue line. Then there's the 4-hour sell stop back down to its blue line, but it's not going to engage, or not anytime soon. It's not going to engage. So that's how you read Bitcoin. And then of course weekly sell stop and the monthly buy stop. There you go. That's it. So don't get carried away waiting for a weekly when we have obviously 15-minute and 30-minute buy stops here on Bitcoin. That's the silliest thing I ever saw. And don't worry about which one cost first, whether it was Ethereum or not, which Ethereum usually does. But they are one and the same. Bitcoin and Ethereum are one and the same, just like our three indices are one and the same. That's all. And you guys would be happy to know that we have the scanner up and upgraded, working perfectly at this point in time, thanks to Keith Palmer. And it's just amazing. I hope you guys get it, understand it, and get going with it. Anything in the Discord that is new, I didn't know what I am doing wrong. I what? I don't even know what that means. What's up, Rob? What's my actual site for that? Anything in the Discord that is new, I don't know what I'm doing wrong. see anything in the Discord. I don't know. Bradley, you shouldn't be in the Discord if you're new. Just don't. That's the silliest thing I've ever heard. You head over to here is where you go buy it from. Stay out. Oh, I can open this up large. Stay out of the Discord if you're new. You're warned of that. When I do my training with you, you're warned of that. Whatever. All right, here you go. This is the only place you should be going to, the safetytrade.com right here. Safetytrade.com. And that is the only official website. Don't get anywhere else. Yes, you can find the site, Fidel. I don't care if you can or can't, but I'm holding it up for you right now. Safetytrade.com, all one word. It's there. We literally just had 3 people purchase it in the last hour. I know for a fact that it's there. I know for a fact that it's working. So don't say you can't find something that's right in front of you. All right. Anything else? KP, thank you, says Rob. You're welcome, Rob. All right. Anybody else have any questions or concerns? All right. How long are we live for? Not long. Good, because I don't want to stay on long. Anybody else have any questions or concerns? 25 minutes, precious. All right. Thank you all very much. Happy Memorial Day. Remember, the markets are going to be extremely so. I wouldn't trade them, actually, if I were you guys. Kimberly Harrington. Well, that's the official Kimberly Harrington. Thanks, Kim, for joining us. Have a good night, everybody. God bless you all. Hope you all make some money on those calls. Have fun. And thank you all for being here and for the support. Talk to y'all later. God bless. Bada boom, bada bing, bada boom. See, Precious, nice and easy, quick. Helped them out, made a ton of money for